Hey you guys, it's Denise at My Luxury Furs, and today this video is going to be sort of like an unboxing and a try on at the same time, sort of. I don't know, because I kind of already ripped it open. I kind of already knew like what it might be, but then I wasn't for sure. So I just went ahead and opened it anyway. It's from Bangkok, Thailand, I guess, or Thailand, girl. I don't know. But I try to order some contact lenses because every time I go to the store and try to like find some contact lenses that I like, just like colored ones, just to like, you know, go out or something, I never can find the ones that I want. And it came with these two little bottles and it says Kawaii on it and cherry brown. And then it comes with this little cute thing to hold your contact lenses in, which I already have one of those, but I'll use this one because I like new stuff. So I already washed my hands. I'm going to take this rubber band off, or plastic band, and I'm going to attempt to put these in my eyeballs. So let's see, how do you open this? I don't know if it's a twisty or what. It looks like it's a twisty, but then it doesn't look like a twisty. Like it's twisting, but I don't know how to open it. And everything is in a different language. The only thing that I can see that's basically English is Kawaii and contact lens. Everything else is in a different language. But anyway, let me try to open this because it's starting. Let's try to get this open. I don't know how to open it. I'm guessing you pull it from the top. Ow, it's hurting my hand. I don't know. When I opened it like this, it just did this. So that seems to be the wrong way to open it. I'm really anxious to get this open, and I don't know how to open it. Let's try the other one. Maybe it's a twisty after all. Well, I don't know, because I was twisting it and nothing was happening. Damn, how do you get this shit open? So I got this off again. Let's see. I'm really struggling. Maybe you have to take this part off, but it's just super hard to take. That part's super hard to take off, so I have no idea. This is so ugly. I do not like, you know, something taking me 10,000 hours to take off. This is making me very irritated and mad because, damn, I wish somebody could help me right at this moment. I don't know how to take this off. And now I'm getting like seriously, slightly irritated. Ow. That's not it. I don't feel like looking at this all day trying to figure out how to get it off. I just want this off. I'm gonna have to holler back in a minute. Hey you guys, I'm back. So apparently I'm just weird or something because, damn, I'm breaking my little nails that I already have. I went to go look online to see like if anybody could show me. I feel like I'm breaking my nails off this. This is like aluminum, right? I'm guessing. So, ow. I don't know what this is. But I'm guessing if I could get this to go, because there's nothing like all around it that says like tear here, open me here. So I'm just getting irritated because now my nails are breaking. Some of the liquid is coming out of here, so I'm guessing if I could get this. Oh girl, I'm there. Look at that. Ooh, it's squirting out now. I'm in here. Look at that. What an ignorant butthead I was. Like, I almost broke off everything I own trying to open this. So now let me open up the other one. So that part does come off, and then there's this little like rubber part inside. So let me get this straight for the people that may be just as crazy as I am, because I'm bringing out nails and teeth and everything trying to open this. So this lipstick though is bugging me. All right, so this is how you open it. First, if you have this thing like this and it's going to be like this, you're going to take this part off. You're going to pop off the top, and then the top is going to have this like a little ring around it, and then this like foil aluminum is still going to be right there. So get that off as much as you can. Ah, got it, amen. And then this like rubbery part easily should come off after that. Amen. Damn, yo, we finally got in this joint. So then, let me wash my hands again. I can't believe it took all of that to get inside of there. Like, really though? I just feel like it should have been super easy to get in there, and it wasn't. That's ugly. I'm just gonna pour it into there, into this thing. So I just poured it all into here. And I'm just gonna put it on my finger like this. I don't know how to even do it anymore. I just feel like it's dirty still. Like, I cleaned my hands, but then there's still like this little lint on it. I might be doing this wrong. So it's on this finger, and I'm super scary right now. I forgot how to do this sort of. So you pull your eye down, I'm guessing, and you got this on your fingernail or fingertip. And you're gonna go down. I'm in, yo! I'm in. Okay. Let's see what the difference is. I can't even look yet. Well, it looks kind of cute, I think. So these are the cherry brown. I wanted some dolly-like eyes. So do you guys think that that's a dolly eye? Like, I've been thinking about these circle lenses and it doesn't feel like anything. So let's do this other one. Let's put this other one in here. My gosh, it took forever. I feel like, not forever to get the contact lens in there, but you know what I mean. All right, so let's go for this other one. So we have it, it's in here. I'm gonna pour it in here. That's just like so much solution, I guess. So. Okay, so we dropped it in there. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. But wait. I don't think something circle lenses about it, is it? It just looks like regular contact lenses to me. Let me see. Let me get some more solution on this real quick, because I just feel like it's dirty. I keep seeing that lint and it gets me a little worried. I feel like some of the black part from the contact lens is like, I don't know. So let's put this in here. I'm in, yo. Oh my God. I'm in. All right, so I'm in. So how's this looking though? These are the cherry browns. And I think they're cute. So, do you guys see like a for sure difference? Does it like match my hair or something? Like, what's going on? Does it look dolly-like? I have to look in the regular mirror because I gotta see what's going on. So do these look like circle lens to you guys, or do these look regular, like regular contact lenses? I really can't say at the moment. I'm gonna go ask my daughter and see what she thinks. I'll be back. Do you see a difference?
Yeah, your eyes.
Yeah, but you're not saying anything. You're just looking like.
Oh, the brown and sparkly.
Do they look cute or not that cute?
Cute, and it kind of matches your hair and your lipstick.
Let me go see what the boys say. You see anything different? What do you see?
Your eyes.
Do you see anything different?
Your eyes. Your eyes?
What about them?
My eyes? Right here. It's like it's coming off.
It looks like it's coming off. Look at my eyeballs. What does it look like? Ugly or cute?
Cute. Cute. Write some stuff on the black part.
Can you tell a difference?
No?
Do they look like my regular eyes or do they look like I put something in it?
Put something in it.
Exactly. So that means it's a difference. Are you scared of me?
No.
Okay, so I let them see it and whatever, but I don't know. I really want brown, like the color of my regular eyes. Yeah. Are these circle lens or regular lens? I can't remember. I'm going to talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.